Are you having trouble coming up with good headlines for your YouTube videos or any of your ads? I've got a simple solution for you in this video coming up. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. If you're new here, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing and get an education on growing an income online, also reviewing my favorite products and services. So if you want to cut the commute and start profiting from home, do that by hitting the subscribe button and bell notification so you never miss a video. So you're having trouble coming up with sweet headlines? I have a simple solution for you. First thing you got to do, find a great keyword. Once you've got your keyword, it's important to phrase it in a way that's interesting, that makes people want to grab it and click on it. Because if nobody clicks on your videos or your posts, then the post is pointless. It takes a little while to learn how to do this. I've actually put a video that I'll link in the card at the end if you want some templates on some basics on how to actually make really good headlines that'll help people click and pull them into your video. In the meantime, I'll give you the secret that I promised before. It's simple, a headline generator. Simply do a Google search for headline generators. All you have to do with the free headline generator is punch in your keywords and it'll spit out several ideas of what you can use for a headline for your video. All right, let's see what kind of gold nuggets we can dig out of this headline generator. 10 tips that'll make you influential as an affiliate marketer. Short story, the truth about affiliate marketing. The hidden mystery behind affiliate marketing. The list goes on and on and on. What we'll do is we're going to cross-reference one of these. The ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. Copy that, and we're going to go into my favorite tool, TubeBuddy. We're going to grab the TubeBuddy Google Chrome extension. Open this up, we're going to go to the SEO Studio. Here we're going to type in our keywords and create a title based on the relevance of the actual keyword we're looking for. We'll start with affiliate marketing. So this is pretty good. We want to build a title around affiliate marketing. So we're going to take that guide, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing, and then paste it in here. We're also going to duplicate this and add it as the first part of our description to help our relevancy go up. We'll add another line or two and add partial parts of a keyword to help with SEO and metadata descriptions. Next, we're going to add some tags that are relevant to our keyword, a variety of them, because the relevancy is what's going to help us show up and suggested with other videos and help rank higher. Now this is just supplemental. The key is click-through rate, watch time, and how you're titling your video. Remember, this is all supplemental. You need a good thumbnail, you need a good headline, and you need to keep people engaged through the video. That's the most important part. The rest of this just helps boost that. You can also we'll save this for another video, but you can compare your thumbnail to everyone else's thumbnails. If you want to cross-reference with a different YouTube tool, I recommend Morning Fame. They have a great keyword research tool. It's a 4-step process. Click on keyword research. Enter the title in that you're going to use here. Here's your main keyword. We're going to select that. Now this shows based on your channel subscribers, views, likes, and relevance. And it also gives you the other people that are ranking and the gateway video, which is the smallest audience video that ranks for this keyword. You can also search for other suggested keywords that you might, or titles that you might want to use. Now here, there's a big X, which means the search volume is very low for this specific keyword. To help boost it, we're going to copy and paste it, put it in our description, and just like TubeBuddy, we're going to add relevant tags. Now it's great if you have a tool like TubeBuddy or Morning Fame to take that headline and cross-reference it using their keyword tools to make sure that that headline will still rank and have a chance of showing up in search. But the number one focus is that it's catchy enough so your current subscribers or anyone you share it to on different social media platforms is intrigued by the headline. Remember, they have to click on it. Even if it shows up in search, if it's a search word that no one's searching for, no one's going to click on it. It's important to take this phrase that you came up with and use it as the title, and also use it as the first sentence in your description of your YouTube video if that's where you're using it. You can also do this on Facebook video. Don't forget that. And also take that phrase and turn it into a tag and then chop it up into several smaller tags to help it rank. The next thing you do is click on the video on the screen right now if you want to learn these 3 basic templates for creating great headlines that will convert. They're free, they're simple, and they work in any niche or industry. Watch that now.